Navy Federal Investment Services Digital Investor is the exact tool you need to manage your own investments without a broker. Here are the top reasons to love it. You can invest the way you want by using self-directed or automated investing. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, Digital Investor can make investing simpler for you. If you prefer to choose and manage your own investments, self-directed investing gives you research tools and over 5,700 stocks and ETFs to choose from. If you want a simpler approach or don't want to spend lots of time watching the market, automated investing is the right move. Just answer a few questions and we'll build your diversified portfolio for you, customized to your finances, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Something for everyone. You only pay a flat $3.50 a month. Whether your portfolio is $10,000 or $10 million, Digital Investor is only $3.50 a month, period. You get to trade up to 2,000 commission-free shares every month. That means you could trade an average of 65 shares every single day without paying a commission. And you get to try it all for free for 30 days. There's no minimum to get started. If you want to start out small, you can grow your portfolio bit by making regular transfers to your account. Plus, you won't have to buy whole shares if you don't want to. You can buy fractional shares. You can even invest as little as $1 per stock or ETF. It's so easy. Digital Investor is integrated with the Navy Federal mobile app, so it's simple to transfer money between your accounts. No new username and password to remember. Gotta love that. Run into a snag or have a question? You can get help fast. Just click the live chat button 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays and we'll walk you through whatever's standing in your way. And if you're looking to level up your skill set, our Education Center has tools and tips on lots of investing topics. No extra charge. One more thing. You do need to be a Navy Federal Credit Union member to open a Digital Investor account. All branches of the military, veterans, DoD employees, and their families are eligible. Navy Federal Credit Union. Our members are the mission. Get started today at digitalinvestor.navyfederal.org.